Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about inset faces. What's inset? It's like giving an offset or it's like giving offset. If you are familiar with AutoCAD or other CAD tools, you'll understand easily this one. But it doesn't mean that if you don't know, you will not understand, because it's a very easy tool. I'll show you. So let me show you the shortcuts again. Yeah, let's select this one and press tab. I'll press tab, I'll go to the face, okay, and we have here inset faces. I can select it and I can see I have a circle, so I will click on here on this circle, so it will be something like this. You see, something like this, and I can insert it again, and you can see Control Z. If I Control Z, it controls it, and insert it again. We can go to the properties, inset faces. We can click on boundary. This will not be shown, but in this one, offset even. You see, it will be offset evenly. If you click on this, offset relative, you see it's like this. And we have another thing, which is the thickness. The thickness, how much should be far from this edge. You see, now you can see how much should be far. And depth, what's the depth? You can make it like this. You see, it's like beveling it. We will go about to this one later on. You can see what I mean. So we have outset. This is outset. Let me make this one 0. This is outset. It comes to here, this one. You see, when I put this one here, when I click it, you see it's something like this. I can increase it like this. You see? So I'll 0 it, and I will just not check it. Select outer. It will select the outer. And individual, we don't have something else here. Let's go with this one. And you might see that another problem will occur when you are putting your mouse or cursor here and click on it. You see nothing happened. So be aware of that, because this one is not the correct way. Control Z, come to here and offset it. No, let's go like this. I will do something like this and come to the circle again, like this, circle like this. You see, and I can extrude it. I'll press E like this and inset, and I can inset from this. You see, something like this. And we have the shortcut for this one, which is I. Okay, be aware of that. Let's say we can press I and select it. First of all, we should select it and press I, and we can do this. See, and E for extruding it. E and I, and E, I, let's I, and I, E, something like this. You see, so in the other lesson you saw that I am doing extrude, and I am pressing right click and scale it like this. So it's something like this. It's the shortcut of it. But I suggest you to use inset. It's better. Inset, extrude, inset, extrude, like this. See, something like this. And this is it. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.